Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about batteries, but not types of batteries, but battery chargers, specifically solar-powered battery chargers. For those rechargeable batteries that, from the AAA up to the D and the 9-volt batteries, they are now making some decent solar-powered chargers for them. Now, some of you are saying, well, all I use is AA batteries and I don't want to get one of those expensive ones. Cool. If you're like me and you have several of the solar-powered walkway lights that take AA batteries, you can use those to charge the batteries up. So that's an option there too. But a good solar powered battery charger that can handle a bunch of the different batteries, and it allows you to get a bunch of different style rechargeable batteries to use, so you're not spending an arm and a leg and a left foot on the alkaline batteries all the time. Okay, so think about it. It's just a suggestion. Check out to see if one of these might be in your budget and help your budget go farther by not having to buy disposable batteries. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. I'm going to put a link up here to the Prepping for Beginners playlist and the Prepping in Private playlist down here.